fireworks. Go. Okay, I'm gonna stay back. It's right here. Hey, it's right here.
Okay.
Oh shit. Let's get back. Get back. Oh shoot. Get back. Whoa. Well, that was lame. Oh, it's still going. Stay back, it's still going. Oh. What? Is it still going? Okay, it's gone. It was pretty good. Oh, shoot. Guys, this is a mini. Oh, shoot. He's lighting it up. Oh, shoot. Put it down. What are you doing?
So dark out, I can't see, Josh.
Well, there we go. And now you guys can also see the action too. A little bit more. Oh shoot. Okay. Lame.
Still red. That was it?
I guess so. Unless straight up jump scare. Yeah. And there's one more over here. Oh, wait. Grab it. Guys. Here's the first one that we did. Oh, let me see one. And here's the second one that we did. Alright, let's back up. Oh shoot. Oh, it looks bigger than the previous one. Oh. That was not what happened last time. That was not what happened last time. Last time it failed.
What do you want to do, the tank?
Yeah, let's do the last tank. Get it over with. I mean, both of them were pretty much a jump scare. I swear that one's gonna...
Okay, give me light.
I swear that one's gonna end up going late. Back up. Get up. I mean, it's pretty cool though. Like it fools you kinda.
Lame.
But kinda, but
Then they had that little extra one at the end.
yeah, it kinda tries to fool you.
Okay, we got one more. Or we got two more.
Alright, let's do it again.
Give me a light. I'm gonna try to do them both.
Okay. Just go like this. Just go like that.
Well, I better just do one. It takes me so long to get them lit.
Yeah. One at a time. I'm gonna back up. There you go. Oh shit.
Pig.
Oh.
One more.
One more. Let's go. I swear that one's gonna come in late. That one's. Run, run! That one was way bigger than the other.
Not bad, huh?
Yeah, not bad.
I think we got some lamos.
Yeah, but it was pretty fun.
Maybe we'll have to start a bonfire and throw them in the bonfire.
Oh, that would be... Wait, then we'll... Wait, do we still have a little bit more?
At the house.
Alright.
A lot of those little bomb ones that I had, throw 4 or 5 of those in a bonfire, see what happens.
Yeah.